Hi everybody. So today I have the Apple iPad Magic Keyboard. So I did a video just recently talking about my purchase of the new iPad Pro, the 12.9-inch screen, which is very large. It's a great device. I just got it, so I haven't had a chance to really work with it yet. And the first concern of mine is that I don't have a case on it. I previously had the smaller version, so you can see the size difference here. I'm just gonna hold it up so you can see the size difference, how large this is. So I definitely needed to get a case, but one of the concerns was that you know, I want to protect it, but I also wanted to have a keyboard as well. I'm going to be using my iPad to do a lot of drawing, so I'm going to be using my Apple Pencil a lot. But I also go to meetings, and I want to be able to have something that I can just toss in my purse so that I can take notes or pull up something on the internet if need be. So I don't always want to put my computer and my MacBook in my bag. You know, I'm not always going to be having to do large projects on the go, but if I have meetings and things, then I think that this will be great for me, because then I can just transport the iPad and pull out the keyboard with it and go. So let's go ahead and open it up. The good thing is that they have these tabs on the Apple devices, so you can kind of get started with the plastic and you don't have to struggle as much. So that is a good bonus to these products to make it pretty easy. So we're going to take the plastic off and then open up the box. And we have our case here. More plastic protection, so they're really secure. And then here is the keyboard and case all in one. And this is heavy. I've looked at some other reviews before I purchased it, and they did say that this is a heavy case. So it is heavy, and that's because it has the keyboard there. So this is just our instructions. And here is our full keyboard with the trackpad, and this is a bendable case here, so you can see the side. This can pull down, it can go all the way down to close, and then you can lift it up as high as you like and bend it. And this is a really nice material. I have to admit, holding this, I didn't expect it. I thought it was just going to be the hard plastic. I opted for the white color because that's just the one that I liked, but it does come in black as well. So this is my old iPad case versus the new. And you see what a difference it makes. Not even just the fact that I have a keyboard, but just this is so much smaller. So this really will feel like I'm having a laptop or an additional laptop option with my iPad in this particular case, which is the Magic Keyboard, which also doubles as a protective case for your iPad. So once you're ready and you have your case out of the package, you see that the camera is here, and then they have an opening here, and this just actually sits right on the case, and you see it has these three dots here, and then you have the three dots on your iPad. So it is a magnet, and it just grabs your tablet and it just connects it automatically. And you don't have to worry, it's not going to fall off. It's very secure just from a magnet connection. And then you can lean your tilted back, you can pull it forward, and then you can type from there. So this is a great addition to your iPad so that you can use this on the go to take notes and all of those great things. So here you have it, guys. Excuse the millions of screens. Excuse the millions of screens that I have, but this is what we're focusing on. The new iPad Pro 12.9 inch M2 iPad, which I'm so excited for, and the new case and Magic Keyboard all in one. And this is my old iPad, and look how much smaller it is. I think this was like an 11 inch, and the case. So this is gonna be so great for on the go, grab and go, throw it in your bag, use it for your design needs, your photo editing, your video editing, and then for meetings, for the internet, for taking notes. This just enhances your device, allows you to do so much more with it, and I'm so excited. So I'm definitely going to be really using my Apple Pencil a lot with my iPad, because I'm going to be drawing on my tablet and doing digital drawings and paintings. So the thing that I liked about this case, and this was just a case that I got like off of Amazon or something, maybe like less than 15 bucks or so, and then I jumped from that to this very high-end Magic Keyboard. So I hope it's worth it. But anyway, this pencil has a area here where you can keep it. This case does not, but I did see a lot of folks on the reviews that I watched, they said that this attached as a magnet. So let's see if that works. It does magnetize onto the end, but I'm not really having luck with it connecting all the way. It's just on this metal part. So to me, that would be kind of a con, because it is attaching, but it's not attaching through the whole pencil. So it doesn't have like a secure area like we have on this case. So that is not really a great feature, because I don't want to lose my pencil. So I'm going to do a little more research. I did see some folks say that it attached, and you can see, like when I close it here, it does attach there, but it won't be able to close because this is in the way. And then when you close it, it will attach to the back, but it's not totally secure. So that is a con for me, because right now off the bat, it's not straightforward on how I can connect my Apple Pencil to the machine and to the case. And it is heavy, so it's not totally easy to just open it, because the iPad itself is very heavy, and you have to kind of work with it to pull it open. It doesn't open, you know, very easily because of the weight. Another con about this is that they do not have the options up top like you do on a regular keyboard to brighten your screen or to control the volume. You'll have to do that manually by touching your iPad. So it's not a laptop. You know, I don't think that this, for me, by any means would replace having a computer because of those type of features that you have. This just enhances the usability of the iPad, but it doesn't replace having a computer. So you can't control the brightness from this Magic Keyboard. You can't control the volume, but they do say that it is backlit, and once you hook it up to your iPad, it will be backlit, the keys, so you can use it in the dark. And overall, I think it will work really well for me. I'm not always going to use this in the case or on the case with the keyboard, because like I said, I'm going to be drawing, and so I may want to kind of hold the iPad like I would a notebook or a pen and paper to sketch out and things like that. So the good thing about it, you see how this older case was just like a phone case where you have to pop the iPad in and out, but with this keyboard it's only connected by the magnet, so you can pull it right off. And so if you're going to be using this off of the keyboard and then switching back and forth, this is really great because all you have to do is pop it off and then pop it right back on and you're good to go. I'm excited about this. I just started setting up my iPad this morning. Now I have the keyboard connected, so I really want to work with it, see what it can do, and just see how much I'll actually use it with the keyboard. In the past, I haven't used my iPad so much. I've just done a lot of the drawing on it and using it with fresco and all of those things. But now that I have the keyboard, I think I'll be more inclined to take it on the go, take it to meetings. And then of course I like to use my iPad for streaming, so that if I don't feel like turning on the big TV and I'm just kind of relaxing, you know, I don't want to use my phone because it's very small of a screen, then I'll use my iPad. And this is going to be even better for those purposes because of the large screen. And then with the large size of the keyboard, it makes it really easy to type, and it's pretty much the same size as the other keyboards that I have. So on my other keyboards that I have, you can see these buttons on my Bluetooth keyboard for Mac. These buttons on the Magic keyboard are the same size. So the keys are just as big, so you won't have trouble typing, and the keys are not going to be so small. And you won't have to worry about using the digital keyboard on the iPad that pops up. So I am definitely excited about trying out this Magic keyboard. You can see the way it leans back. So I think that this is going to work out really great for me. And maybe I'll come back and do another update just to update you guys on how things are going. If I found any other cons about this keyboard and case, and if all the pros are worth it for the investment. But so far, I'm happy with what I see, and hopefully you guys got an idea, and this can help you decide if this is something that you would like to purchase or not. So thank you so much, and see you next time.